Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the inventory reports. Last video, I've explained you about stock categories and units of measure and the options available for inventory masters. All these things I've explained in the last video. So presently, unit number 2 in computerized accounting is going on, where already 3 videos I've made. So if you have not watched those videos, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject Computerized Accounting. In unit number 2, watch the first 3 videos. Be acquainted, be perfect about how to record the inventory stock keeping unit. That is unit number 2. So now in this unit, I'm going to explain you what are inventory reports. What are the different types of inventory reports we can make in Tally ERP 9. So before that, take a screenshot of the notes which I have written on the board so that you can keep a permanent record of these notes, which will be very helpful before going for examination. Take a screenshot, then I'll explain what are the different reports. So now I'm going to explain you what are the inventory reports we can make in Tally ERP 9. In Tally ERP 9, every recorded transactions will be immediately posted. The feature of this Tally accounting package is whenever we enter a transaction, automatically, immediately it will be posted to ledger, to other books of accounts and to other registers. Automatically it will be done. So based on such recorded transaction, inventory reports will be generated. Whatever transactions we enter regarding the purchase of goods, regarding the sale of goods, all these transactions are recorded, and on the basis of that recording, reports can be generated. Inventory reports we can make on the basis of these recorded transactions. Now, this inventory report shows the display detailed analysis about the stock and its items. So all the recorded transactions will make the inventory report, detailed inventory report of all the items of stock. Then the generation of inventory report helps in faster decision making. The main advantage of these reports is by taking out these inventory reports, the management can be able to take the decision promptly regarding the replenishment of stock, regarding the control of the stock. The stock should neither be excessive, not there should be shortage of stock. Then the appearance of inventory report can be changed according to company's requirement. One of the main feature of this Tally accounting package ERP 9 is we can change the format of the reports according to the requirements of the company. For example, a company can generate comparison report of inventory item for previous year and current financial year. If a company wants to make a comparative analysis of inventory report of the last year and the current financial year, so it can make such type of reports according to the requirements of the company. Now, inventory reports can be classified into 5 categories, 5 types of inventory reports we can be able to make. What are the 5 types? First one, stock summary report. Second one, stock items report. Third one, go down or location summary report. Third, movement analysis report. And the last one is stock aging analysis report. So these are the 5 reports which we can generate in Tally ERP 9. Now one by one report I'm going to explain you. The first is stock summary report. Stock summary report. So stock summary report is the statement of stock in hand on a particular date. So at any particular moment of time, the management of the business requires what is the stock position, what is the stock in hand, what is the stock in hand at a particular date, at a particular point of time. So stock summary report will give you the report of stock in hand at a particular moment of time. This statement is updated with every transaction to provide stock position at any given time. So this stock summary report will be updated with every stock transaction. Every day so many stock transactions will take place, inward stock and outward stock. That means stock will be received and stock will be issued. So with every stock transaction, this stock summary report will get updated. So that's why at any moment of time, at any date, we can be able to find out the stock position. So in order to view stock summary, the path is go to Gateway of Tally and select stock summary. That's it. Easily we can be able to display the stock summary report. That's the first report. Second report is stock items report. We do not want only the stock summary report. It's a consolidated report, integrated report of all the stock items. But sometimes the management wants the detailed report of every stock item, not summary, but every stock item. So you can view the stock item based on configuration you need for effective analysis of your stocks. So we have to analyze, we have to configure the stock items. Then only we can be able to get the report on stock items. In order to view stock items, the path is go to Gateway of Tally, then select the display, select inventory books, and last one select stock items. Then step 2, select an item from the list of items. After getting the stock items, select the particular item for which you want the report. So many stock items are there listed. You want the report only for a particular stock item. So select that particular stock item. Then click F12, that is configuration of the company. F12. Configure to open the configuration screen. So F12 is the configuration screen. So here press F12. Set show graph by value to yes. In that configuration screen, by pressing F12, you will get configuration screen. On that configuration screen, set show graph by values to yes and press enter. So first you change the graph values to yes, enable it you to yes, and then press enter. Then this will display a graph showing goods inwards and outwards. So these steps will show the movement of the stocks, how much stock of that particular item is received and how much item of that particular item is issued. So these are the steps for making a report on stock items. The two reports I have explained you. The first is stock summary report and the stock items report. The third report is go down or location report. Sometimes a business may have the different location. The stock are lying at different locations or different go downs. Now the management wants a report on the stock at each go down, at each location. So that report of go down and location also we can get from Tally ERP 9. So Tally ERP 9 summarizes the details of stock item available in each go down in the go down location summary report. So by choosing this go down location summary report, we can be able to get the inventory report at each of the go down. So if you have created go downs in a hierarchy, the report gives a consolidated view of stock available. You can view the closing and opening balances of your stock. So first of all, you have to create the go downs. If you have created the go downs, you get the hierarchy of go downs. From that you can get the reports. Then the report can give the opening and closing balance of your stock, inward and outward stock details, and all corresponding transactions with the help of the following. So you can get the complete detail of the stock at each of the go down regarding opening and closing balances, how much is the received, how much are issued, and what is the balance now available. Now the path for making this location or go down stock is go to Gateway of Tally, then select the display, select statement of inventory, go downs, and select the go down. Out of the list of go downs, you select the go down for which you want the report. Then the go down location summary report shows the summary of stock for each go down with closing balances. So for every go down, how much is the closing balance of stock we can be able to get. So three reports I have explained you. First, stock summary report. Second, stock items report. And thirdly, go down location report. Now, next one is movement analysis report. Another report which we can make in Tally ERP 9 is movement analysis report. Now, this report shows the analysis of those inventory transactions which are integrated with the accounts, that is inventory, that is inventories which are also recorded in the books of accounts. That means this movement analysis report will give the report of only those inventory items which are recorded in the books of accounts. In the books of accounts means any transactions which are recorded in the books of accounts, that transaction only will come in the movement analysis report. Any transaction which is not recorded in the books of accounts will not come in movement analysis report. Example, a voucher. A stock voucher is made on which only quantities are recorded, value is not recorded. So this voucher which records only quantity will not be considered in movement analysis report. Vouchers, inventory vouchers which affect the stock only in quantitative terms are not considered, will not be recorded in movement analysis report. The movement analysis report is used for comparative studies, and they give an insight into the flow characteristics of the stock in an organization. So this is very important. This movement analysis report is important for comparison purposes. It shows how the stock is moving or changing, and it also helps in finding out the slow moving items. By making this moving analysis report, we can be able to find out what is the slow moving items. If the stock, if the go down contains those items which are slow moving, that means easily we cannot be able to convert it into cash. It is not easily sold. That slow moving items will block our working capital position. The company will face the problem of working capital if it is having more slow moving items. That we can be able to know only by preparing movement analysis report. Now, what is the path? Go to Gateway of Tally, select display, select inventory books, select movement analysis. The movement analysis report shows only those inventory transactions for which accounting transactions have also been recorded. Only those transactions which are recorded in the books of accounts, those transactions only will affect the movement analysis report. You can analyze stock movement by stock groups, categories, or financial groups or ledger. In this way we can be able to analyze. So I have explained you so far 4 reports: stock summary report, stock items report, go down or location report, and movement analysis report. So we have completed 4 different types of inventory reports. That is stock summary report, stock items report, then location or go down analysis report, moving analysis report. The 4 reports already I have explained you. The last report is the 5th report, that is the aging analysis report. 5th report is aging analysis report. The stock aging analysis report in Tally ERP 9 displays the age of stock in hand. That means this report will classify the stock items into different categories according to their age or period. So this report will be very much helpful where the goods will have some expiry dates. The management, the business management can be able to classify the old stock and the new stock on the basis of this aging analysis report. Now, this report lists the age-wise breakup of inventory to demarcate old stock. Just to distinguish between old stock and new stock, this report will be very much helpful. The business has to decide what are the age slabs. What are the age slabs? The ERP 9 gives its user the flexibility to define their own aging slabs, like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, like that we can give the age slabs. So according to that age slabs, we can classify the inventory items into different age groups. Then we can be able to find out which is the old stock, which is the new stock, which stock is going to be depreciated, in which stock we are going to incur loss. All these things we can be able to know by making this aging schedule. So aging schedule lists out items batch wise. that have already expired or may expire in future. So this aging analysis report will classify which are the items which are already expired. Just like in medicines. In medicines we have expiry date. So we can be able to find out which are the medicines which have already been expired. Expiry date is over. And some items are there, some medicines are there whose expiry will be very near future. Then this information will help you to keep a track of the age of stock and also quick moving inventory, as older stock may depreciate in value or become obsolete and result in loss. The management will incur loss if the old stocks are piled up. Then you can view the aging analysis report and also change its appearance of stock items. That means it is more flexible. The aging analysis report can be changed according to our requirement. So what is the path of going for this aging analysis report? Go to gateway of Tally, then select the display, select inventory books, select aging analysis option, then select the group for which aging analysis is required. So this is the path for getting the aging analysis report. So in this video I have explained you about the different type of inventory stock reports which we can make in Tally ERP 9. So inshallah the next topic I'll start up in the next video.